Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 7 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 apps for this device. Alrighty, so the first app is called WTMP and it's basically short for Who Touched My Phone. So let's go ahead and set this application up and launch it in general. At the start you'll get some starting instructions on how this app should be utilized, and in here once the app has been successfully forwarded to you to its main page, tap on this power button, grant the app the camera access. The unlimited background usage or the battery usage can be skipped, it is not necessary, but we gotta grant the permit usage access to it no matter what, so let's go ahead and do just that. Now once we get back to the app, we'll see that this power button became green, which means that the app has been successfully put into the active mode. Now what this app does, it imperceptibly takes pictures each time the screen of your device gets unlocked or there is any either successful or unsuccessful attempt to unlock the display of your screen. So let's test it out. And now once we open up the app, we'll see that there would be two entries. One of them, the fact that device has not been unlocked and the respective photo taken from the selfie camera obviously. And the one which contains the picture for the fact of successful screen unlock. So by activating this app, you'll know for sure whether somebody has tried to touch your phone without you knowing it. So moving on to the next app that is called Stick Around. It's a very simple app for somebody who likes to watch a lot of movies. And in here you are able to check whether some of the film or movie has the hidden scenes either after or during the credits. So let's say we bought the ticket for the new Minions movie, and as you can see it says that there are no hidden scenes after the credits, but it is the movie contains the during the credit scene or scenes which are worth to stay for. If you would like to check the hidden scenes for any movie that is not currently at the cinema or for some old movie, you can enter the search section and at the bar type in the movie name. I'll go with Dune. So 2021, and as you can see we'll see that there are no hidden scenes at all. And as soon as the movie itself ends, as soon as the credits roll in, you can stop watching it. Alrighty, so moving on to the third app that is called Caffeine, and this simple app allows you to set some bigger values for the screen timeout or for the screen sleep timer setting, or even up to infinite, which once set to infinite means that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep automatically no matter for how much time you keep it in idle status, just like so. And that will be pretty much it. This app only used for that basically, for, as I said, setting greater values for the screen sleep timer up to the never or infinite value right here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.